Explaining rounding in the number axis. The rounding process can be more easily understood when numbers are shown in the number axis. For example, the number 7 is shown in the number axis. We have the following shown on screen. From the figure, it is clear that the number 7 is closer to 10 than 0. Hence, when rounded to the nearest 10, the number 7 becomes 10. When rounding to the nearest 10, 100 or 1000 is shown in the number line. It is not necessary to show all numbers from 0 to several thousands. We can simply show the part of number axis around the number involved. For example, if we have to round 543 to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000, we can use the following figures to clarify this process, where the original number is indicated by arrow while the new number after rounding is indicated by a circle. We have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 2.1.5. To continue this tutorial, please watch 2.1.6 Other types of rounding. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.